Are you struggling to keep your garden beds healthy, weed-free, and looking beautiful throughout the growing season? The secret lies in choosing the right mulch for your specific needs. Today, we're diving deep into the 7 best mulch for garden beds that will transform your garden beds from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you're dealing with vegetable gardens, flower beds, or ornamental landscapes, we've got you covered with proven mulching solutions that work. Make sure to check the link in the description for detailed guides on each of these mulching techniques and where to source the best materials for your garden. Number 1. Organic compost. Organic compost takes the top spot as the ultimate garden bed mulch, and for excellent reasons that will transform your entire gardening experience. This nutrient-rich powerhouse doesn't just cover your soil, it actively feeds your plants while protecting them. Compost mulch breaks down slowly throughout the growing season, continuously releasing essential nutrients directly into the root zone where your plants need them most. The rich, dark appearance creates an instantly professional look that makes any garden bed appear well-maintained and established. What makes compost truly exceptional is its ability to improve soil structure over time, increasing water retention in sandy soils while improving drainage in heavy clay. The beneficial microorganisms in quality compost create a thriving ecosystem around your plant roots, naturally suppressing harmful diseases while promoting robust growth. Compost mulch works incredibly well for vegetable gardens, flower beds, and around trees and shrubs. The initial investment pays for itself through reduced watering needs, fewer pest problems, and dramatically improved plant performance. When applying compost mulch, spread a 2 to 3 inch layer around plants, keeping it pulled back slightly from plant stems to prevent moisture-related issues. Number 2. Shredded hardwood bark. Shredded hardwood bark takes second place as a top-tier mulch, offering long-lasting performance with a refined, classic look. Made from bark of hardwood trees like oak and hickory, this mulch is shredded into uniform pieces that naturally interlock, giving it excellent resistance to wind and heavy rain. Unlike softer organic materials, hardwood bark decomposes slowly, often lasting 18 to 24 months before needing a refresh, making it a cost-effective choice in the long run. Its rich, deep brown color adds timeless beauty to any landscape, blending seamlessly with both formal and informal garden designs. As it gradually breaks down, it enriches the soil with organic matter while continuing to protect plant roots season after season. Shredded hardwood bark is especially effective at weed suppression thanks to its dense, mat-like texture, yet it still allows air and water to reach the soil. This makes it ideal for use around perennials, ornamental shrubs, and in landscape beds where you want a clean, polished look with minimal upkeep. If you're after a mulch that combines durability, beauty, and low maintenance, shredded hardwood bark delivers on all fronts, making it a standout choice for long-term landscape health and curb appeal. Number 3. Pine straw. Pine straw, also known as pine needles, ranks third as one of nature's most efficient and visually appealing mulch options, offering benefits that few other mulches can match. These naturally shed needles form a breathable layer that helps retain soil moisture while promoting excellent air circulation, making them ideal for healthy root development. With its soft, woodland look, pine straw adds a rustic charm to any garden, especially those with acid-loving plants. It slowly breaks down, enriching the soil and gently increasing acidity, perfect for blueberries, azaleas, rhododendrons, and camellias. One of pine straw's standout features is its ability to stay put. Even on slopes or during heavy rains, the interlocking needles resist washing away, creating a stable and protective mulch cover. Lightweight and easy to handle, pine straw is a favorite among gardeners of all skill levels. It's also budget-friendly, offering excellent coverage and long-lasting performance at a lower cost than many premium alternatives. Apply it in a 2 to 4 inch layer, and you'll get a tidy, natural finish that settles beautifully on its own. Best of all, it requires minimal upkeep, making pine straw a low-maintenance, high-impact choice for enhancing your garden. Number 4. Cocoa bean hulls. Cocoa bean hulls take the 4th spot as a premium specialty mulch, offering both practical benefits and a rich, chocolatey aroma that enhances the garden experience. A byproduct of chocolate production, this mulch features a deep, dark brown color that becomes even more vibrant when wet, creating a beautiful contrast against green foliage. The signature chocolate scent lingers for several weeks after application, adding a sensory element that many gardeners love. Beyond their beauty, cocoa hulls are excellent at retaining moisture while still allowing proper drainage, reducing the risk of both drought stress and root rot. They're lightweight, easy to spread, and stay in place well, though they typically cost more than standard mulches. Over time, cocoa mulch breaks down and enriches the soil with organic matter, all while maintaining its elegant appearance. The fine texture gives garden beds a polished, tidy look, ideal for formal landscapes, rose gardens, or any space where aesthetics matter. However, cocoa hulls contain theobromine, which can be toxic to dogs if ingested, so use with caution in pet-accessible areas. When spread 2 to 3 inches deep, cocoa bean hulls offer strong weed control and one of the most visually appealing mulch choices on the market. Number 5. Grass clippings. Grass clippings take 5th place as the ultimate free mulch, turning lawn waste into nutrient-rich treasure for your garden. Fresh clippings break down rapidly, releasing nitrogen into the soil, serving as both a mulch and a natural fertilizer in one easy step. If you mow your own lawn, this option costs nothing, making it ideal for budget-conscious gardeners or those working with large spaces. Grass clippings are especially effective in vegetable gardens, where fast-growing, heavy-feeding crops like tomatoes, corn, and leafy greens thrive on the quick nutrient boost. Since clippings decompose fast, you'll need to reapply them regularly throughout the season, but each application builds better soil structure and organic content over time. To get the best results, only use clippings from untreated lawns, free of pesticides or herbicides, to avoid harming your plants. Let fresh clippings dry for a day or two before use. This prevents matting, unpleasant odors, and poor airflow. Apply in thin layers of 1 to 2 inches, gradually building up coverage while maintaining good air and water flow. This mulch method shines during active growing seasons, when frequent mowing supplies a steady stream of material, making grass clippings a practical, eco-friendly, and cost-effective choice for thriving gardens. Number 6. Shredded leaves. Shredded leaves claim 6th place as a top-tier free mulch, turning fall cleanup into a garden-friendly solution packed with long-term benefits. When chopped or shredded, autumn leaves create a protective mulch layer that enhances soil health while suppressing weeds and retaining moisture. They break down at a moderate pace, slower than grass clippings but quicker than wood mulch, offering a nice balance of durability and nutrient release. This mulch adds a natural, textured look to garden beds and is especially effective around trees and shrubs, where it mimics the forest floor and supports a healthy ecosystem. Different types of leaves bring different perks. Oak leaves break down slowly and slightly acidify the soil, while maple leaves decompose faster and offer a more balanced nutrient boost. Shredding the leaves prevents matting, which can block air and water from reaching the soil. You can shred them with a mower, a leaf shredder, or simply by running over them in a container with a lawnmower. Apply shredded leaves in a 3 to 4 inch layer for optimal results. This eco-friendly mulch reduces yard waste while feeding earthworms and beneficial microbes, helping to build rich, fertile soil at zero cost. Number 7. Wood chips. Wood chips round out our list in 7th place as a versatile, long-lasting mulch option that provides excellent value for larger garden areas and established landscapes. Fresh wood chips from tree services or municipal programs offer an economical way to mulch extensive areas while providing long-term weed suppression and soil protection. Wood chips decompose very slowly, often lasting 2 to 3 years before needing replacement, making them ideal for low-maintenance areas and around established trees and shrubs. The natural appearance blends well with most landscape styles while providing excellent moisture retention during dry periods. Wood chips excel in pathways and areas where you want long-lasting coverage without frequent replacement. However, fresh wood chips can temporarily tie up soil nitrogen as they begin decomposing, so it's best to apply them around established plants rather than newly planted areas. Aged or composted wood chips eliminate this concern and provide immediate benefits without any potential nutrient competition. Wood chip mulch works exceptionally well for suppressing weeds in large areas while allowing gradual water infiltration during rainfall. The chunky texture provides good insulation for plant roots during temperature extremes while maintaining soil structure underneath. These 7 mulch options can elevate your garden beds and boost your gardening results. Each one offers unique advantages, so choose based on your plant's needs, your climate, budget, and how much upkeep you're willing to do. There's no one-size-fits-all. Experiment in different areas to find what works best for you. Check the description below for where to buy each mulch and see the latest prices. If this guide helped you pick the right mulch for your garden, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more no-nonsense gardening tips. Got a mulching success story? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where we'll help you grow your dream garden on any budget.